everybody, Tanisha here, coming to you guys to show you what is on my nails this week. I decided to do a full set for Valentine's, so I wanted to come in, give you some details on how I achieved this look. It's going to include the mistakes, it's going to include all products used, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright guys, so since this was a new set, I did soak off, and I have a review on what I used to soak off coming soon. Hopefully I will have that up to you guys next month. These are coffin nail tips I got from Nail Supply Glamour. They have a nice curve on them, as you can see on my finger and here. I was a little nervous about using them, trying to decide if I was going to cut them down or not. I decided not to. I haven't worn curved nails in a while, and I was like, hey, let's go for it, okay? What's the point of having all this stuff if you're not going to use it, okay? So we had XL curved coffin nails, all right? From there, we decided to lay layers of acrylic. I just went in with a variety of acrylics and just wanted to do something fun. Instead of doing the designs with polish, I went in with the acrylic. So you will see Fierce Fuchsia. I got this from Model Ones, and I believe that they sell their acrylic separately as well as in various sets. This is Glam and Glitz. I ordered it from Nail Supply Glamour, but I believe you can order from them directly. And this is the Cover Dark Blush. That's going to be that rosy pink color. Let's see. This nail. This nail right here is the dark blush. This nail is that Fierce Fuchsia. So you see the difference in the two, okay? And then my Mia Secret nude cover pink right here. It's a nice nude color. I use that as a base for the ombre nails. Like this nail is ombre. This nail is ombre right here. And then anywhere you see the chunky glitter mix, as well as on the pointer finger on my right hand, you're going to see this Opal Milky I got from Beyond Nail Art Supply. There it is. I'm trying to show you guys. If you can see right there, that pretty milky, which is going to be the white acrylic mixed with clear. And then you can see the opal foil flakes in there, just iridescent, just pretty flakes. That's what this looks like. And it's so, so pretty. All right, guys, and then to encapsulate everything, I used the Model One's clear acrylic powder. I had not used this to encapsulate in a while because I tried it with a different monomer, and they didn't have a good relationship. It was very abusive, and so I didn't like how cloudy it looked. Thankfully, it worked out well with the Nail Supply Glamour monomer, so that's awesome, and I will be using that more now that I know which monomer gets along with it, okay? So for the accents and designs, oh gosh, there's so many things. So for the chunky glitter nails, I have a mix of these beautiful hot pink hearts. And then with that, I added the Dulce nail sprinkles right here. I added this, and it doesn't have a name, but I did receive this in the Nail Boxy subscription. So they probably named it Nail Boxy. A lot of the companies do that when they give stuff, or donate, however they do it. When they bulk purchase stuff for a kit specifically, a lot of times they'll name whatever they're giving it after the kit. So it's really pretty. And then the Wildflowers, this one's called Cherry Cola, and it looks like Cherry Cola, guys. It's going to give you some of that bronze. It has the burgundy in there, the mauve. It's such a beautiful mix that I don't get to use often. And so, I mean, just look how that lays in. Look how beautiful that is, how that lays into that. So as you see with this nail right here, you can see all the different aspects of it. It's laid on that base of that Opal Milky, so beautiful. But then when you look over here, it's laid on the base of that Fierce Fuchsia mixed in with that dark blush and the Opal Milky, and it looks totally different, but just as beautiful. Coming over here to this hand, it looks again just as beautiful with different bases and still beautiful and gorgeous, guys. So that's the one thing that I love about whenever you do chunky mixes, when you create your own or when you use one, no hand is going to look the same. Every hand is going to look unique. Every hand is going to look beautiful. All right. So as we continue with the accents, I'm going to include some information, some video clips about what these nails look like first, because I've updated them. I wore them like that for about 12 hours and I changed them. So let me insert what I did first, and then I'll tell you why I changed it. All right, so this is the first version of the nails, and I don't like this nail. I mean, don't get it twisted, the nail is cute, but I don't like the chunkiness of all those stones, even though they look beautiful. So what I'm going to do is take those off and refile it, and then I'm going to add a big heart with some glitter gel. So we'll see what happens, but I just wanted to give y'all a quick preview of the first version. And then I already started over here. This one was a little bumpy, so I'm just refiling that down so I can reapply the top coat. And I'm going to put a heart on this one as well. I think I might keep this rhinestone heart because it came out kind of okay. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. So we went ahead and did the heart with the glitter platinum nail gel from Model 1s. And I love it. So what I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to remove this one, the heart here on this white. Because I don't like it. I just did it just to be doing something, but I don't like it. So I'm going to take this one off. I like the flashy nail, don't get it twisted, but I've been just trying to calm down. Okay, my nails are already, they long enough, okay? What I want to do is take this off. I've got the pink gel. I'm going to do one in the heart in pink over here, and then I'm going to line them with jewels, and I think I would like that better. Because I'm just trying to get away from the extraness. So, you know, having the little accents here and there is enough. You know, these are very busy nails, so I just wanted to kind of bring it down a bit. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll see. All right, guys, so as you can see, I had the big hunk of rhinestones on the middle finger here, and I decided to change that because I didn't like how that big hunk of rhinestones looked. So what I did is I took those rhinestones off, and then I used a super platinum nail gel that I got from Model 1s in gold. I hand drew a gold heart on here, and then I accented that with a set of AB stones that I picked up from Amazon. It's a red AB stone set. Right here, this is all red AB stones. I know they look pink, but it's red AB. And then I also added a little bit of the red stone set, and I got my rhinestones from Amazon. eBay used to be the spot, but Amazon's the spot now. Then on this hand with the pointer finger, I had the hearts in red, you know, that big red chunky red heart. I didn't like that either, so I took the super platinum nail gel, and I used this one to create a heart over here and did the exact same thing. I then took the Wildflower Spider Gel in the pink color, and this is my first time using spider gel, and I just worked it all around and played around with it. You know, it may not be perfect, but I am so elated. Like, it came out so much better than I thought it would. I played around by adding a little bit of glitter to it. It glows in the dark. Like, guys, this stuff is amazing. I will probably be spidering everything. I'm definitely going to look into getting some more colors of spider gel because it was so much fun to work with. So that's it, guys. When I came to when I came to polish the nails that have the chunky glitter mix, I used this shimmer top coat from Lisa Combe that I got in a nail boxy kit. And then you guys know I'm in love and always using my glass finish UV gel that I order from Nail Supply Glamour, but you can get me a secret anywhere, guys. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video of what's on my nails. I'm sorry the lighting is crap, but if you guys want to see what I do on my nails, usually the videos aren't this long. I do about a 60-second video every couple weeks on Instagram, married to KDK. And but when I have a lot to share with you, like with this set, and I want to show you my mistakes, because guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm new to this. I've only been doing my own nails for about 5 years. That's not a long time. So I'm still learning, and you know, things come out all the time, and I'm trying to learn how to do them and stay on top of the trends so that way when I teach my children how to do it, you know, or whichever child wants to learn, if they want to learn, or my daughter-in-laws want to learn, or whatever, you know, when I teach them, I want to stay on top of the trends. And so I try to learn a little bit of everything so that way I can continue to perfect my craft. But I am really enjoying it. It's so relaxing to do my own nails. If you have any questions or have any video requests, comment down below. Check for the pinned comment there. You will see the blog post telling you the details about all these products. All right. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Okay. Tell me what you think. All right. Bye.